How to change your phone ringtone on Google Pixel phone. First, go to settings, and then in the settings click on sound and vibration. Then scroll down, you will see phone ringtone. Over here you'll be able to choose from many different sounds and ringtones. There's also like the original Pixel sounds. So here I'll show you the current one that I have. There's also this one. So you could also change your ringtone like from your custom sounds. If you have like custom sounds, you can change it from here, or you can also like pick from sound matters or natural elements, and the list goes on and on. So, and that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.